Ever wondered how the food on your plate intersects with your faith? Welcome, nutrition navigators, as we embark on this enlightening journey. Today, we're delving into the fascinating intersection of food and faith in a plant-based diet. Let's begin by exploring the roots of plant-based eating, which are deeply intertwined with various faith traditions. Christianity, Judaism, Buddhism, and many others have scriptures or teachings promoting compassion towards animals and the stewardship of the earth, which can inspire plant-based choices. Intriguing, isn't it? But here's a twist. Some interpretations of religious texts emphasize human dominion over animals. Yet there's a growing movement that encourages re-examining those verses in favor of a compassionate stewardship model. This approach sees us not as masters, but as caretakers of our animal friends. As we see, many faith traditions inspire plant-based choices. But what about modern motivations? Well, that's a story for the next scene. In our contemporary world, ancient principles like ahimsa or non-violence are more relevant than ever. This principle, deeply rooted in Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, promotes minimizing harm to all living beings. It's like the golden rule, but for all creatures, not just humans. And just as you wouldn't want to be served up on a platter, the same goes for our animal friends. So, a plant-based diet becomes a practical embodiment of ahimsa, allowing us to nourish our bodies without causing harm to other sentient beings. Now let's talk about our dear old planet Earth. It's the only one we've got, and it's high time we started treating it with a bit more respect. Many faith communities are waking up to the fact that our dietary choices have far-reaching environmental consequences. Factory farming and animal agriculture contribute significantly to climate change and environmental degradation, transforming lush green landscapes into barren wastelands. But there's a silver lining. By opting for a plant-based diet, we can significantly reduce our ecological footprint. It's like giving Mother Earth a well-deserved spa day. And then there's the small matter of our health and well-being. Many religions emphasize the importance of caring for our bodies, the temples of our spirits. And oh boy, does a plant-based diet do wonders for our health? Scientific research links plant-based diets to improved health outcomes, such as lower rates of heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's like your body is throwing a party, and all the guests are vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So, whether you're inspired by the principle of ahimsa, caring for our planet, or just want to give your health a boost, a plant-based diet offers a compelling way to align your actions with your beliefs. It's not just about the food on your plate, but the values it represents. So, we see that plant-based diets can be a powerful way to live out our faith. But how can we put this into action? Turning our beliefs into actions can be a worthwhile challenge. Let's explore how we can do that with our food choices. Just as one doesn't become a marathon runner overnight, transitioning to plant-based eating can be a gradual process. It's about making small, sustainable changes. Perhaps it begins with swapping out meat for a plant-based alternative once a week and gradually increasing from there. The key is to honor individual capacities while aligning actions with beliefs. Now imagine if you had a whole community supporting you in this journey. That's where faith communities can play a crucial role. They can provide delicious plant-based recipes, educational resources, and even host social events centered around plant-based foods. Think of it as a potluck where everyone brings their favorite veggie dish. It's all about fostering a culture of encouragement and inclusivity. But it's not just about what we put on our plates. It's also about expanding our understanding and raising awareness about the ethical implications of our food choices. This can be done through religious studies and discussions. For instance, exploring the concept of ahimsa, or non-violence in food choices, can be a powerful conversation starter. Through these actions, we can see how faith can inspire and guide us towards more compassionate, ethical, and sustainable food choices. By making conscious food choices, we can truly live out our faith. But how can you continue this journey? Now that we've explored this fascinating intersection of food and faith, what's next? Well, there's an abundance of ways to continue this journey. Seek out more knowledge, dive into the resources available within your faith tradition. Start meaningful dialogues around food choices, approaching them with respect and understanding. Rally your faith community to tackle issues like food justice and environmental sustainability. Please hit the thumbs up button right now to let YouTube know this content is appreciated. That will help get this content out to those who may need it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intersection of food and faith in a plant-based diet. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. This is your Nutrition Navigator signing off.